So hello and welcome to the fourth lecture of this series. In this video, we are going to talk about inheritance in Python. Now, inheritance is a way of forming or creating new classes using the classes that have already been defined in your program. And inheritance will provide you the ability to reuse your code that you have worked on previously and further try to reduce the complexity of your code, all right, or you can say complexity of your program, all right. So here is an example of how inheritance work in Python. So I'll be creating my base class from which I'll be inheriting all my methods to my another class. So let us create the base class. So that is class animal, all right, and I'll be defining a constructor for this class. So def underscore underscore init underscore underscore. So this is a reserved method that is built into Python. I'll be using this self keyword, and this method, or you can say this constructor, will be returning a print statement. Say print I am an, or you can say animal created. And then further I'll be defining another method, say who am I, all right. I'll be saying self, and this will return a print statement saying I am an animal, okay. And further I'll be saying that define a method eat, which will be returning a print statement I am eating, okay. Now let us check that if this program is working correctly or not. So let us create an instance of the class animal. So I will be saying my animal equals animal. Now if I would run this program, you can see the output is animal created, all right. So now this program is working correctly. So let us try to define, or you can say let us try to create another class that will inherit all the methods, or you can say that can reuse all the methods from this base class, that is the class animal, all right. So let me just comment this code snippet, and I'll be creating another class, say dog. Now in order to if you want to try, if you want dog to inherit all the methods present in the base class that is animal, so the syntax for that is class dog. So create a class named as dog, and inside the regular brackets type animal. So this is the name of the base class that you have created previously, okay. So this is how you can inherit all the methods from your base class. And I'll be saying that def underscore underscore init underscore underscore, all right. I'll be using self, and here I'll be saying that animal dot underscore underscore init underscore underscore self, and this method will be returning a print statement saying I am okay, you can say dog created, because we have used animal created. So let's say dog is created. I'll be saying who am I. So this will return a print statement saying I am a dog, okay. And def eat self, and this will in case return me or you can say dog is eating, okay, all right. So let us see if we can inherit all these methods to our class dog from the base class that is animal. So now if I would just create an instance of my class dog that is inheriting all the methods from my class, from my base class that is animal. So here you can say that my dog equals dog. Now if I would run this program, you can see animal created and dog created. Now you're going to be asking me that why this animal created like is the output, all right, is printed to the your output console. So I have used this like statement, that is animal dot in, underscore underscore in itself. So this statement is calling this method over here, all right, and this method is returning this print statement to my console over here. Okay, so now in like if I would say that my dog dot who am I, and instead of saying I am an animal, this will say I am a dog. Okay, so if I would run this, you can say I am a dog. And similarly, if I would say my dog dot eat, you can say dog is eating. Okay, so this is how you can use inheritance in Python. So you can reuse your code, like let me say, like we are reusing this piece of code, that is like this base class. Okay, so we are inheriting now this class, now this dog class is inheriting all the methods, or you can say reusing all the methods that are previously defined in my base class animal. So I can also have some other other method, say one another method, say def. So define a method, say bark self, which will return print woof. All right, so woof, and I'll be saying that my dog dot bark. So if I run it, you can see woof. Okay, so this is how you can inherit all the methods of one class to another class, all right, I did. So this is my base class, that is animal. Okay, and this class is like you can say a second class that I have created after I created animal. Okay, now this class dog is reusing all the methods that is present in my animal class, and this process is known as inheriting all the methods, or you can say this is the concept of inheritance. Okay, now this was all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.